Let's do Chica. Let's get some chicken. Let's get some chicken. Yeah. I'm about to eat some chicken. I'm starting with you, Chica. Gotta cook you up.
Welcome back to
I changed my mind.
Service.
I don't know if that did. Oh. Don't worry, Chica. I'll get all this food off. This type of stuff never goes well.
Oh no! It looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, the Fazbear Entertainment Restaurant
looking at me too.
Chemie Spray. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Oh my god! Oh crap. Okay, I need...
It looks like Chica needs another dose of the Chemie Spray. Do not let the infestation spread.
What if I don't want to take it?
Eat it.
There you go, you're a good boy now, aren't you? No! Last piece.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Okay, we finally did it. Oh, it's a Fredbear! It's a Fredbear! Oh, hello, kids. Let me give you a hug. Nah, I'm just messing, Chatty. I'll hug you forever. I'll hug you forever. I love you.